Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
$409 on top, TMK 72, €230 victory. Great job, and of course, everybody, don't forget to gamble responsibly, alright? Don't forget, stuff's expensive, and again, your money is really important. I'm a bounce. Alright, have a good day, love them. 3 doubles for the 28X. Well, we had 2 doubles, but yes, I do agree. It's quite tiny, mate, quite tiny. So, here we go. We got 5X crazy time. Yes, sir! There we go. Easy money, everybody. We got it. Let's get crazy. Yeah, buddy. Come on then, everybody. Woo! We're back in action. We got that crazy time bonus round of 85. 5X from the top slot. Sure. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, first, let's apply that 5X to the mystical, magical, crazy time, supersonic wheel. Wow. Okay. What do we have? We got a lot of numbers, don't we? Decision time, then. You got to decide, everybody. Green, blue, yellow. Of course, you know my favorite color, the jacket, right? It's green. Easy. You got most of you, though. The majority of you going for that blue. But anyways, max multi. 500X, everybody. Let's spin it to win it. Of course, we can get the double too, everybody. Double into 1000X. What do you think? Oh, we got it. Double. We got 125 on green. Double on blue. 100 on yellow. Shoo! All right. Oh, all right. Blue. That's the flapper with the most amount of players. So, let's do it again. Come on! All right. Come on, 200 or 2,000. Really? 150X on blue. Okay. Hello, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Big money, 9,224 winners. Great job. Thank you for playing, though. See you all later.
He is on fire. Let's go. Spin time. Eve is here, taking over. Enjoy.
3,076 total winners. As a Josh, Crazy Ash, Descon, top 5 winners and a scoreboard there. Congratulations there. No worries about it. Like, sometimes it's really hard to understand what you write there. And when the chat is going ballistic, if the sentence is not correct, like correctly pronounced, like, it's really hard. You know, you cost us a lot and talk too much. I don't cost you anything. 10 with a 20X from the top slots. Ooh, give us a 10X. Just stop. Yes, baby, 20X. Let's see. Woo, 3,154 total winners. There's a Slimmy E2D credits, top 5 winners. Top winner, 11.9K. Mwah! Top of the daytime there, my lords and my ladies. Welcome to the newcomers. Glad that you join us. Check out all the futures that we have at the Crazy Time Wheel, especially the out-to-play options. Check them out, try them out, use them in your beneficial moves there. And as well,
bonuses. Just the bonuses. Don't be naughty. Not seconds. That's it first. Come on. Make us happy. Make our session happy. Pachinko with a 2X. Is there any chance for Pachinko? Come on. I'm watching. We have 2 Pachinkos. Maybe. Yes. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we got Pachinko time with a 2X multi. 2X was the highest. But anyway, I really do hope we're gonna have nice multipliers. Come on, what the low is gonna be? 3x is gonna be 6x. And come on, do faster everything. I wanna know the highest one. I want 400! Come on! Be 400, please. Please, please. Like, I really asking you to give a 400x. Please, 400. Come on, be nice. Be really nice to us. I'm scared. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on, 400. Yeah! Boom! Yes, baby! Look at this! Yeah! Yeah! Look at this! Just look at this! 400! Yeah! Let's go!
Wow, congratulations. 3,256 winners. Player 13 with 2.84 thousand. Player Sugar, 2.64 thousand. Okay. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. Alright, no more bets, everybody. Scary. There we go. Let's go for the turbo spin again. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all the newcomers. Welcome, everybody, to Crazy Time Live. Hope you like it here. Alright, we got 2x on cash and from the top slot. Still haven't had a cash on this entire session, right? But that ends now. There you go, everybody. Hey, easy money. We got the cash and everybody. Alright. We got big numbers only, don't we? Right, what do we have here? Let's see. 500x we got on the screen. And if you get a top slot on top of it, right, we got that 2x from it. Whew, okay. Right, that's a 1000x. You get 150, stay at 100 as well. Holy, I don't think I've ever seen that thing happen. Okay. 1000x is possible, everybody. So let's shuffle. Once you're done, you're gonna have 14 seconds to decide which of those 108 segments you want. If you don't decide if you need somebody to hold your hand, the game will hold your hand for you and decide for you, right? Super simple, everybody. Personal choice, let's think, where could that 1000x be then? I'm gonna pick that cupcake because my belly on 6-3. That's what I'm picking, okay? Right. Decision time is over. Well, I missed. Where is that 1000x? Bang in the bottom middle, perfectly there. Congratulations. 33 of you got that 1000x. 8,051 winners overall. On top, look at that. Pretty me 18 with 32,000 euros from that 1000x. Wow. Okay. Well, no more bets, everybody. Here we go. Yep. Congratulations. 5,525 minutes. DMK 72 over 276 euro victory for you. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. Let's get right back into it. No more bets, everybody. We got that supersonic turbo spin. Let's get it. Mike, how about a big win now, Andy? I think we have the top victory of the day, actually. 3x cash, and ladies and gentlemen, we had the 1000x, right? Yeah, buddy. Woo, that way, baby. Oh, we got the cash. Huh. Pa, 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 pa. There you go. We got cash on 3x top slot. We got a 500x at the top slot again. Holy. Okay, well, let's apply the 3x, everybody. Bam, 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 bam. There you go. We got 1500x, 225x, 75x. So let's pull deliver cronk. Oh my god. Oh, whew. It's getting hot in here, mate. It's getting hot in here. 1500x. So we're gonna shuffle. Sup, man? So once you've done shuffling, you're going to have 14 seconds to decide which of those 108 segments you want. If you need somebody to hold your hand and you don't want to pick by yourself, the game is going to do it for you, right? Super simple. Extra star points if you pick up your own gun and shoot through the screen, on the segment you want. It's not going to work, but, it's going to look cool. Anyways, decision time is over. Let's reveal the multipliers. All those 150s around 1500X, bang in the middle, a bit on the lower end. Congratulations, all the winners. 50, 40, 1500X. Shee! But that was it for me, everybody. Thank you for playing. I'll see you all later.
How can I beat that? Hi, ladies and gents. Eve's here taking over. How you doing? Let's make a spin. Eve, Christmas Eve.
Why bets I'm on OP are the top winners. Alright, so congratulations to you especially. Let's go for another round. Let's go. Alright, so yeah, that's closed. Good luck. Okay then. Alright, so cash and shows us a duel. Boom. Oh baby, yo, we are hitting those bonuses, top slots. Let's go, ladies and gents. Cash and 2X. What's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you here on Cash and. Come on, give it to star 500X. Ladies and gents, let's double that. Yo, this is looking good already. This is looking awesome already. 1000X is the max multi, ladies and gents. That is awesome. Bomba clap. Okay, I didn't do it. Let's do it again. Boom, that's the way to do it. All right, we are starting cash in. Exciting stuff. 1000X, this cash in. Can you hunt it, huh? Can you get it? All right, ladies and gents. It is decision time. Shoot your shots, all right? Yo, if it's too hard for you, you know, to choose, like 1000X is there. Like, you don't want that stress? Also pick as an option. All right, enough yapping about. Let's see those multis, please. 1000X. Yeah, like 1000X. Where is it? Oh, in the corner. There you go. Congratulations. Beautiful cash in. 1501 are you winning? Congratulations. Sovereign has been Wabats, LP, Added, Danish, and DFT. Yo, who chose that corner? Yo, I wish someone got that 1000X. I wish. Like, yeah.
Let's have fun with it. Hope for the best. Touch. And that's a 2X top slot of cash hunt. Welcome to Cash Hunt, guys. The 2X multiplier from the top slot. The level, the highest multiplier is 1000X. 1000X. Guys, 1000. Oh, Poison Ivy. How are you doing? Multiplier bill. 1000 is right there, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go back to wheel. Let's see. Oh, I see some people got very lucky. 966 winners. Some people got lucky. Yeah, of course. You came and it's the highest win of the day. Because you're the biggest win we can ever have.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.